transmitted at the request of the Texas Emergency Management Agency, Houston, Galveston, Texas. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The San Antonio Police Department is searching for Joanna Luna, Hispanic, female, 13 years old, 5 feet 5 inches, 110 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing dark gray t-shirt, black and pink Nike shorts, and pink and purple slides. Police are looking for Richard Xavier Rodriguez, 17 years old, Hispanic, male, in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a bearing Arizona license plate number East 4438. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the San Antonio Police Department at 210-207-7660. News media point of contact is San Antonio Police Department at 210-207-7579.